Dagabakno bakala don ka jinya sela butsniu kabala shimpen trekam daki bor badai pej hakabaya day bat ka huri-hura hatura kabala jia haka arpusau tarik unai tung arja arpulai hakapor bau menteri rangba ka jela Meghalaya Mukul Sangma udang don jingalang bat kinong dawa winter capital Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong baka sarkar haka jakaban ai ka jing shisha klaile ban bori penban yaki Habakran sikilat pathai kubor haka no pai sngi jong ka khatsan tarik unai lur arja arpulai hadin balawai ka sngi sedang jong ka dorbar senrai jong ka yeng dorbar tauan ka jela Meghalaya uni menteri rangba barem ulaong baya kiba syakem kiba suba don keti penmi ya ketika huri-hura lapen ngat haki kyndon an kiba jupen ngat ya kile no
I was following what has happened on that day subsequent to the unfortunate incident, and when that mayhem, the particular incident of stone throwing was taking place, I think it was already after sunset, after dusk. The next day, you start seeing that police have gone and started arresting arresting people, but then you look at the sections, the relevant sections under which these people were booked, and who are those who are booked. This is the first time that we have seen that for this kind of incident, the response of the authorities went up to that extent when these people who were arrested are charged and booked under, I must say, unacceptable section of the Act, which is there to deal with terrorists. Okay? Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Are they terrorists? Are these people who participated on that day, rather who went probably to witness the outcome of the negotiation between the proposed negotiation between the government and the those who were sponsoring those movement? You are seeing a government who have the audacity to allow young boys and the students who are pursuing their academic career and booking them under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, which are for the terrorists, which are for the members of the banned organization. And you also look at the sections under which they have been booked. I was looking at the overall reaction of the people after what has happened. Young boys, 19 years, 20 years, 21 years, who are pursuing their studies in colleges, were arrested and booked under this particular act, which is to deal with terrorists, to deal with the members of banned organizations. So what does it indicate? It indicates that the government, instead of ensuring justice, is becoming the main perpetrator of crime. It is a crime. Just to hide their own failures, is it not a crime? Issues which the government should look at. Well, a mistake has been done, but they must understand these type of action of the government in a democracy doesn't augur well for the sustainability of democracy. Please understand the seriousness of this particular issue which I am just sharing with all of you. I would like to share one more thing. Please remember, everybody's career is important. Everybody's career is important. Dr. Mukul, born in one of the most backward places of the state of Meghalaya, managed to have my own career path. I choose to be in public life. I became minister, I became chief minister. I could do something for my people, for the state. Similarly, everybody's career is important. Conrad Sama's career is also important. So also the career of those young boys who are pursuing their courses of studies. Maybe that boy who is arrested may be the only boy who has reached this far in pursuit of their academic career. Maybe he is the only lone educated boy coming up. And he might have dreams to contribute. for the society, to the place where he comes from. So these are something which reflects the mindset of the people in power, and I condemn them. This mindset is highly condemnable. Therefore, these are issues which need to be discussed in the House. Will we get chance? They will say it is sub judice. They will say this is sub judice. So media has to ask them, are these boys terrorists? Please remember one more thing. Any terrorist organization, if any organization has to be notified as a terrorist, there is a procedure. There is a procedure, and this procedure is required to be followed. You look at the list of the terrorist organizations, you will see these lists are notified by MHA, not by the state government. So which terrorist organization was there? Which was banned? That these boys had to be arrested under this particular act. What are they trying to do? That means the government of the day is hell-bent on becoming a perpetrator to do injustice to the innocent people. That's how I will put it. And I want to say that it should not be repeated, and the government must rectify all this wrong that has been perpetrated upon the people of this state.